Previously, we saw the contracts agent in action, helping legal teams instantly compare clauses, flag risks, and stay compliant, all within Box. Now, let's pull back the curtain and see how it's built right inside AI Studio. We'll walk through how this custom agent was designed to deliver smart, secure, and permissions-aware insights the moment your legal team needs them. To create a custom agent, I'm using Box AI Studio. Here, I can create a new agent. Now, let's give it a name, something like Contract Review Agent. Now we'll give this agent capabilities. Let's choose Q&A and content generation. We're ready to configure this agent. Let's start with configuring for Q&A. This is where we will choose our model, give instructions, add in preset suggested questions, and we can even test our AI agent. When selecting a model, AI Studio offers a variety of foundational and best-of-breed models to choose from. For our AI agent, let's go with Claude Sonnet based on results of our recent evals. Next, let's describe the agent. This part is optional, but it's helpful when distinguishing between multiple deployed agents for your users. This description also reflects the agent's goal. Now we get to the fun part, giving our AI agent instructions. It's important to be thoughtful about these instructions, so our guidance is to start with several building blocks of the instructions. Let's put those in. First, the agent's purpose. This should match the user's purpose, so we'll put this in for our agent to help legal teams extract and summarize key elements from contracts. Next, we will add in content-driven actions we want this agent to take, which in our case are things like compare clauses and highlight risky language based on compliance rules. Then we will specify how we want the agent to give us the output. We'd like AI to help compare information between documents and provide details about those comparisons in tables with well-cited resources. Lastly, we will specify what guardrails and human oversight we want the agent to keep in mind, such as ensuring that there is review and approval of its analysis. We also don't want it to summarize vague clauses or offer legal advice. There are limits to AI's interpretation that a human should review. Let us also guide AI to request review and approval within the business processes, ensuring that AI-generated content and data retrieval has an opportunity for that human in the loop we mentioned earlier. And of course, we'll maintain an audit trail for compliance. After completing our instructions, let's now go ahead and add preset suggested questions that will appear whenever the end user selects the agent. This is a great way to further personalize and make the agent's tasks more relevant. So for ours, let's add in the following. Highlight the key differences between clauses. What critical information is missing in this matter? Are there any steps defined? And that's it. Now that we've configured Q&A capability, let's configure text gen capability. It's pretty much the same process. First, we'll describe the agent. This description also reflects the agent's goal, just like we did with the Q&A. Let's also add in instructions from before. And finally, we will update our model. For content gen, let's choose Gemini 2.5 Pro based on eval results. Let's skip suggested questions for now. Let's move forward to deploy this agent. AI agents are disabled by default to ensure granular controls on when and to whom you want to deploy the agent. You can select specific teams and groups, which is helpful to empower specific departments or line of business use cases. Today, let's choose Enable and deploy it to the entire org. And that's how you build a custom contracts agent in Box AI Studio, designed for your content, your workflows, and your team. Want to see it in action? Check out the previous video to watch how this agent can help legal teams instantly compare clauses, flag risks, and stay compliant, all within Box.